Hi folks, and welcome you back to Global Education Zone. And today in this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw the line of intersection of two cylindrical pipes of unequal diameter joined at right angles. So this is diameter A. We have first diameter A, and then we have diameter B. Now they are joined at right angles to each other, but they have unequal diameters. Now the first thing you should do is to draw a semicircle at any convenient distance away from the plan and elevation, and divide that semicircle into 6 equal parts. So that's what I'll do here. So just open to the radius of the what's it called, cylinder, then you draw a semicircle. So when you've drawn a semicircle, you can divide it into the desired number of equal parts. So we have them, that's here. So I'll draw a vertical line through the center here, because I want to have the same center for the plan and elevation. So I want to have the same center for the plan and elevation. So that's how I'm drawing this vertical line. So I can also draw the semicircle for the elevation here. So here we go. Now we'll divide it into 6 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the same thing for the plan. So this plan is the one down at the bottom, and this and the front elevation is the one above. So this is that's because this is the first angle projection. So you always have your plan at bottom and elevation above. So let's create lines from this to the center. These lines, they are not necessary, as I stated in the previous episode, but they are good to draw. Good you draw them. They're not absolutely necessary. Now after relating this line, I'll project horizontal lines from the points on the plan semicircle and also the so I'll project points from the plan semicircle to touch the circle, and then I'll project this point too to the front elevation. So from this plan semicircle, I'm projecting the points. So I will do the same thing for the front elevation. So if we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we'll start from 0 at this point. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So the reason is that we have shifted from the plan and elevation. There is a 90-degree turn. So that's why you can't have 0 and 0 here. You have 0, and then when you shift the numbers on 90 degree, and then you start counting. That's why we have this numbering system. But then you have to match the points. So now basically for the points where this contact intersect the plan, I'm going to be drawing lines. So for it intersects them here. So I'll take it upwards. It also intersects this one here. So I'll also take that upwards. So the next step is we'll now be taking note of the intersections. So this number 0. So I forgot to draw that. What is number 0? Also have it here. So number 0. So for the number 0, it has this line, and it intersects 0 here. For the number 1, it is from here, and it intersects 1. Intersects 1 here. So then for the number 2, it's here and it intersects 2 here. For number 3, it's at this point and it goes up to intersect number 3 here and number 3 above. For number 2 again, it goes like this way and it goes to intersect number 2 on the other end. Then for number 1 again, it goes to this way. It goes this way. There's number 1. Goes this way. Intersects it here. So we have this group of points. When we join them with a curve, and then we'll take in that curve with the French curve. We'll get the line of intersection of two unequal cylinders. So let me do just that. This is the process. So in this case, in the previous episode, we are drawing the line of intersection of two equal cylinders, right? But in this episode, we are drawing the line of intersection of two unequal cylinders. And the reason for that is that these are unequal cylinders. It will give us a curve instead of a straight line. So basically, this is the curve. So this is how to draw the line of intersection of two unequal cylinders. Thanks for watching.